What is going on, guys? BWIOS Gaming here, and as you probably know, today is the day of FIFA 15 release. So I will be getting it in console. Well, most likely will be eventually, but for now I'm playing it on the iPad, and I mean it's a good enough game. I've been playing it for a while. It's only Ultimate Team, which I'm happy about because I really like Ultimate Team, and that's really all I do with FIFA. But yeah, I've been playing it for a little while, got some coins built up, and I was also lucky enough to get Neymar in a pack. So as I'm showing you right now in my trade pile, there's Neymar sold for 210,000. It doesn't sell as much, obviously. If some of you are playing console, you'll know that it sells for around 600,000 in console, but no, it doesn't sell for that on this. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it is not selling for a lot on the iPad. But I mean, 200k is still good. So this is a 200,000 pack opening for FIFA 15 the iPad. I mean, I don't know whether this is the first or not, but yeah. Hopefully you enjoy. Um, this is me just talking over this recording, so I'm gonna stop talking in a minute and I'll let you watch the video. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so that's all our packs finished. I'm just going to quickly, as you can see, I'm now in my club, and this is me showcasing all the players I got. For 200k, I mean, I'm quite happy with it. I've actually, talking over this a day after I'd done this, after I recorded this, I recorded it last night, but the voice, I'd forgot to turn on voice recording, so I did sell a lot of these players. I think I got about 130k or something for all those players back, and bought more packs. Unfortunately, I never got anyone. But yeah, this is what I got. So thank you guys for watching. This has been BWIOS Gaming. Goodbye.